Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to solve yet another task of 100 days of AWS challenge. So it is task number 2 in which we have to create a security group. So before creating a security group we need to understand what basically a security group is. A security group is a virtual firewall used to connect traffic to and from an instance. So it helps protect cloud resources by allowing only specific network traffic, and it's improve security. So in this task we have to create a security group of this name DevOps SG, and this is its description and these are its inbound rule. So for creation, log into AWS console and go to EC2 dashboard. So you can go to EC2 dashboard via clicking on this, or you can search there. So click on EC2 dashboard, and in the EC2 dashboard here is the option of security group. You can create security group from there. So this is a default security group which has some rules specified. We need to create our own security group, so create own security group, and here we need to specify the name of security group. So the security group name is DevOps SG, and we need to provide the description of the security group. So let's copy this and paste this. So we need to select VPC for our security group, hence there is no other VPC, so we have to go with the default one. So yeah, inbound rules. So click on this add rule button, and then we need to first create an inbound rule of type HTTP, and its header range is from anywhere. So let's create this HTTP, and it is automatically selected its port, which is port 80, and the source is anywhere IPv4, which is this. So it is not a good practice to open anywhere IPv4 for your security groups. So if this is open, that means anyone can access to your EC2 instance on this port. So we need to create another rule which is of SSH. So SSH and its header range is also from anywhere IPv4. So let's add another rule which is SSH, and its source is anywhere IPv4, which is this header range. So we need to create this security group. So yeah, security group is created. We can verify, and as you can see, it is created, and these are the rules specified. So let's verify our task. Yeah,